All right. Well, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Boutet. I'm with the Dowco group of companies. Sorry, I've lost my voice this week. I am here today with two of my colleagues, Théo Lane from Vancouver and Melissa Lebel from Quebec, from the Quebec office. What does Dowco have to offer to the BIM industry? Well, Dowco, as a consultant, that's one of our companies from within that offers modeling for BIM modeling for all steel structures, CIP, precast concrete, many other services. We're also we own a company that has developed a software that specializes in the development for steel fabricating companies and cost management and calculations of the actual building and development. Now, today I'm representing Dowco Technology. We sell different software, including to Panzura, TechLab, Bluebeam, and we offer, of course, all development and implementation when we sell that software. Now, how to integrate BIM in a continuous workflow? What we try to do is to involve the same integrated BIM workflow in the work structure. It's a part of a cycle and not just a one-way flow. We try to share the information between the architect, the engineer. The engineer can come back to the architect or to structure development, back to engineering. So we're trying to have a flow that will always be circulating and not just in a one-way model. We also try to use all the different elements that are brought together in order to develop our project. Now, this was built just to develop, it was called X-Steel for the steel structures, but now we've worked on the software and we've developed the concrete and the engineering aspect. So now it's not made for MEP and not meant for structural design. TechLab can import information from different software. Each model can hold different, all the elements, in fact, of the project. Here we see a traditional model on the left, on the right, but on the left you can see all the parts that were used from the different phases of the construction. Here's an example of a parking that was built with TechLab. TechLab was able to develop over the years, but the problem being, what's a quantity, how much will we pour? Now we can plan and know exactly the costs and the quantities. We can also, in TechLab, there's a tool for planning, and we can do our planning and connect it all to MS Project or Primavera. This is the information that can go from one software to the other. We also offer TechLab Inside, which is a free software. It's a collaboration tool that we can use with everyone. And what we see here on the right, all the parts that are part of the project. And then in the middle, you can see our model with all the parts that were included. And on the left, you can see all the different types of models, with the TechLab models, plumbing, mechanics, and so on. And all integrated into the model, and we can use them to comment and return the information to all. Also possible, Trimble bought out TechLab a few years ago, and with the Trimble model, well, it's easy to design in TechLab and then send the information to the site, and then with the laser and the poles, they can point exactly where they're going to have their anchors and columns, and they verify if it's all fine with the model, and if it's poured a bit off, then we'll adjust the model itself so we don't have too many surprises. Better than finding out too late that it hasn't been cast properly. This here is a company, BPDL, that uses it for many years. What we see here, and this, what was done is what was planned in the project. This is a project for Hydro-Quebec, where we did the designs, the schedules, and that's my last slide, which shows two pictures. I don't know which one you like better, but one is Bell and the other was Util. So maybe you like both. Have a good day.